subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Laszlo and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. You guys made this. You guys made this possible. Thank you so much friends. Let's not be excited about 1,000 subscribers right now because there's a long way to go ahead. And if you keep on subscribing like this to my channel, I promise you I'll be coming up with new ideas for you guys. This is the 1K subscriber special tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you an amazing way to control a playing card to the bottom of this deck, and it is the most deceptive card controlling technique and I use it every time and you're gonna love learning this. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, here's how the card control looks like. First of all, you're going to have a deck of cards and you're going to shuffle it. You can see all the cards are different, right? And this is the bottom card, that is the Queen of Diamonds. Just remember that card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select a card from the center of the deck, that is the Four of Clubs, and then I'm going to just keep all the cards like this, leave the Four of Clubs at the center, and then I'm going to push it slowly, very slowly inside, just like this. And if I snap my finger and turn over the deck, you can see the Four of Clubs has actually traveled to the bottom of the deck, to the bottom of the Queen of Diamonds. So let's learn how you can do this card controlling trick. Okay friends, this is how you're going to do this cull control. First of all, you're going to have a deck of cards, that is for obvious, and then as you're spreading the deck, when your spectator touches a card, for example, let's say your spectator touches this card, you're going to just match this card up with this card. You're just going to square this card up over here with this card. So as you square it up, you actually have two cards over here that looks like one. And then as you turn your hand, the spectator sees the original card that he or she has touched. But when you actually pull this card out, you're also actually pulling this card inside. So you're pulling the other card out. And for that reason, this is a different card and the actual spectator selection is over here. On top of which we actually spread the entire deck and cull it to the bottom of this deck. So if I do that in full speed, it will look like this. First of all, your spectator is going to select a card, it's like Six of Hearts, and then as I did that, I've actually culled the Six of Hearts over here. To do this move, it's very important that you do the perfect square up at the first time. So as you're going to square up this card with this card, what you're going to do is you're going to push this card over here along this surface, and as you do like that, you're just going to keep your thumb over here so that you touch the edge when you actually reach it. Your other index finger is also touching over here, for which if you're actually spreading this card to square up, this card will actually touch your index finger and it will get squared up. So at this point, this card actually looks like one card, but it is actually two cards. So that is the main idea. So you have to just practice this square up over here because you're going to do it very fast so that the spectators don't know you're actually taking two cards like this. And then after that, you're going to pull out this card, and at the same time, while turning down, you're going to pull this card down over here. And that's how you actually separate these two cards and you actually do this cull controlling card trick. If you're doing this cull controlling card trick for the first time, then it's obviously going to be hard for you. But with practice, you can do it very smoothly. The first thing that you have to keep in mind is you should not panic while doing this move, because if you are going to panic, then this move is going to look like this. You're trying to do all of those stuffs like this. It's going to just mess up with this move. So for this, you need to stay calm, and when you're going to spread the deck just like this, after your spectator selects a playing card, you're just going to show it to them, and after that you're going to just keep it like this in the center, and then what you're going to do is you're going to push it inside and control it to the bottom of this deck. So that's how it should look like. So if you don't panic, you can do this in the same way that I did, and it would look very natural and the spectators won't even know that you have actually controlled their playing card to the bottom of this deck. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card controlling technique. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile @Ashwal_Zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.